Every home in Fayetteville tells a story. From historic properties with classic architectural details to modern homes with bold designs, no two houses are exactly alike. When it comes time to upgrade your windows, standard, off-the-shelf options don't always do these unique homes justice. That's where custom replacement windows truly shine. Designed specifically for your home's structure, style, and needs, custom windows offer benefits that go far beyond appearance. Perfect fit for one-of-a-kind designs. Many homes in Fayetteville feature non-standard window sizes, arched frames, bay windows, or distinctive layouts. Standard replacement windows often require compromises, fillers, or alterations that can detract from both performance and appearance. Custom replacement windows are made to your exact measurements, ensuring a precise fit. This not only preserves the character of your home but also improves overall performance by eliminating gaps that can cause drafts and leaks. Enhanced energy efficiency. A custom fit doesn't just look better, it performs better. Windows that are built specifically for your home create a tighter seal, which helps maintain indoor temperatures year-round. In Fayetteville's changing seasons, this means cooler interiors during hot summers and warmer rooms in colder months. Custom replacement windows can also be designed with energy-efficient glass, advanced insulation, and low-E coatings, helping reduce energy bills while keeping your home comfortable. Design freedom that matches your style. One of the biggest advantages of custom replacement windows is flexibility. You're not limited to a few sizes or styles. Instead, you can choose frame materials, colors, finishes, grid patterns, and hardware that complement your home's architecture. Whether your house leans traditional, contemporary, or somewhere in between, custom windows allow you to maintain a cohesive look while enhancing curb appeal. Improved comfort and noise reduction. Homes located near busy streets or active neighborhoods in Fayetteville can benefit greatly from custom window solutions. With the option to choose double or triple pane glass, custom replacement windows can significantly reduce outside noise. This creates a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Combined with better insulation, these windows help eliminate cold spots and overheating near window areas, making every room more comfortable. Long-term value and durability. Custom replacement windows are built with your home in mind, often using higher quality materials and construction methods than mass-produced options. This results in greater durability and a longer lifespan. Because they fit properly and perform efficiently, they also help protect surrounding walls and frames from moisture damage. Over time, this can mean fewer repairs and lower maintenance costs. Boosted home value and curb appeal. Windows play a major role in how a home looks from the inside and out. Custom replacement windows enhance your home's appearance while signaling quality and care to potential buyers. For unique homes in Fayetteville, maintaining architectural integrity is especially important. Custom windows help preserve original charm while offering modern performance, which can increase resale value and buyer interest. A smarter investment for unique homes. Every home deserves windows that fit its personality and needs. Custom replacement windows are more than just a visual upgrade. They're a practical investment in comfort, efficiency, and long-term value. For Fayetteville homeowners with distinctive properties, choosing custom solutions ensures that your windows enhance, rather than compromise, what makes your home special. If your home doesn't fit the mold, your windows shouldn't either. Custom replacement windows provide the tailored solution unique homes in Fayetteville deserve.